Hey there, me again. Doing a quick little premiere here. New video is going to be coming up this weekend. It's in regards to that other video that I uploaded, I don't know, maybe 2-3 weeks ago. That Calling BS video on the MeWe Distilling Group. This is in regards to the owner where that short bus window liquor told me that redistilling is not allowed in his group. Discussion of that is not allowed in his group. His wife and the rest of the cronies told me that it was irresponsible. But he didn't even realize that I was one of the posts that I made in the group where I was making chocolate mint gin is redistilling. Dumbass. Obviously, he ain't that bright, or he would know where vodka and gin come from. But I had enough people ask me how that's done, so I'm going to put a video together showing how to do it with this air still knockoff, even though my other still is a real still spirits brand still with the T500 column. They make air stills as well, but things could have changed between then and now. But at that time, you could only buy an air still that did water distillation or alcohol distillation, and I wanted something that had an adjustable temperature on it so I could do both if I wanted to. So I got this little Japanese knockoff, and it actually works perfectly fine. Oh yeah, and in regards to that group, those boneheads don't realize that I'm still in there. They're doing a giveaway this month, and this is what they're giving away. This stupid book came with my very first still for free. It's called Moonshine, and it's supposed to be a history of moonshine and how to make it. Oh, here comes the dog. Go ahead, slam the door. Thank you. This thing is a joke. This is a piece of shit. You might as well call it a comic book. If they really wanted, like I said, they want to keep people stupid in their group, if they really wanted to help people and give them useful information, they wouldn't give away this piece of shit book. They would actually give away this book, Designing and Building Automatic Stills. Anybody who's followed this channel for a while knows that the computer that runs my greenhouse is a Raspberry Pi. I wrote the software for it, and it controls all of my heating and cooling and umpteen other things. Gives you mobile access. I want to do the same thing for a still, if not to control the still. Excuse the MeWe chimes. I want to at least be able to monitor a still from your phone using the same Raspberry Pi computer. That's what they should be giving away. If they're giving away books, to help people, educate them, teach them something useful, don't give them a comic book. Idiots. But at any rate, we're going to do the chocolate mint gin using this air still, and it's pretty much like any other gin. You have juniper berries and coriander seed. Nobody in the gin business will tell you all of the other botanicals that they put in it. You can understand why, trade secret, but all gins have at least those two. And what I'm going to do, I've tried it, I've tested this, it works great. You use just any kind of cocoa that you would use for cooking. Hershey's Special Dark, I like that the best. Any kind of vanilla extract, even if it's the dollar store imitation stuff. This stuff is $1 for what? An 8-ounce bottle. You probably use a quarter of that per batch. And then out of the greenhouse, I'm going to use fresh spearmint and fennel root. You use one of these with about a half gallon of 80 proof sugar wash, or sugar shine. I don't use table sugar. I use corn syrup. You can get Caro syrup or other non-name brands off of Amazon for like I don't know, 23 bucks for a gallon. If you're gonna do White Dog, White Lightning, whatever you want to call it, that makes it so much better. I don't know why. It just tastes better than table sugar. But that's all there is for this premiere. I'll be back. I'm hoping to have the complete video uploaded Sunday night. But that's where we are right now, and I'll catch you around. Bye.